This is the YouTube channel that I blew up, monetized, is making me thousands of dollars, and made me rich. I did all this by locking myself in a room and working on this channel. I will show actual analytics and earnings with no gatekeeping, and will share a secret strategy that made me successful. So let's start from the beginning. There was a time not too long ago when I had $20 to my name. I used to scroll through social media all the time, watching people my age buying their dream cars. After all this, I searched up on Google how to make money online, and all the money-making methods it told me require investments to start. But there was one method that was 100% free to start, and you can also get rich with it. And it was starting a YouTube channel. I was a beginner, so I started searching on YouTube itself to learn this business. Some gurus told me to download Joe Rogan clips and earn money. Some told me to make this shatty Avengers shorts to make money. I was also very confused if I should do long-form content or shorts only. In this process, I started many YouTube channels, failed many times, and tried different strategies. I used to create a YouTube channel, but fail at it, then create another channel and stay in loop. I used to get very few views. I kept working for 6 months straight, but nothing worked out. I got very demotivated at this point, but I didn't know I was preparing myself for something big. It was the time when ChatGPT came out and it was trending all over the internet, but there was a big problem with ChatGPT. Due to a lot of users, their servers got full and people couldn't access ChatGPT, and it was showing this error. Then, to find its solution, I searched this exact problem on YouTube and found out that there are a lot of people who have made a fixing tutorial video for this error, and their videos have views in thousands. And from there, I found out that whenever any online app or site in the world gets any type of errors, these YouTubers make a fixing tutorial video on it. These videos rank in search, and when people search on YouTube for the solution of the problem, people watch these videos and the channels make thousands of dollars. And this is what happened next. I was editing a video on CapCut, and while editing, I got this error from CapCut. Then I searched up this error on YouTube and found out that nobody had made a video on it. So I decided to make a video on it. I got the script ready, and then for the voiceover, I tried to use AI. But this niche requires videos in high quantities, and if you use softwares like 11 Labs, it will cost you thousands of dollars just to make the voiceover. Then I decided to record my own voice, but I didn't want to reveal my original voice, which you are hearing right now. So for that, I used a software called Easus, which can change my voice in real time whenever I'm recording. The video got ranked at #1 in search. I started getting thousands of views, and in total, this video has got me more than 65,000 views. I was so happy. Our 4,000 hours of watch time wasn't completed yet. But finally, after struggling for months, I finally knew what I wanted to do. My goal was to get monetized as fast as possible so I can start making some money. So I started searching for other video topics and found a problem which Roblox game players were facing. They were facing sound driver error, and I found out that nobody had made the videos on it. Screen recorded and made the video. The video got only 7 views on the first day, but I knew this keyword had a lot of potential. It got 529 views on the second day, only 52 views on the third day. I know right now you might be thinking this video flopped, but here's how many views this video got. The demand and search volume of this keyword rose with time and got massive 84,000 views. But the problem was we still hadn't completed the 4,000 hours watch time, and all of our views were getting wasted. Then I made a 4-minute long video on another keyword, and that video got almost 25,000 views. We completed our 4,000 hours watch time, and I sent the channel for monetization. And I received an email from YouTube that your channel is approved for monetization. I was really happy about it, but I didn't know this was going to happen. We were getting thousands of views daily, but we're making a few dollars only because the keywords of apps we were making videos on were related to entertainment categories. And the RPM of the entertainment niche is the lowest on YouTube. And from here, I shifted my planned strategy, and we decided we will only make videos on keywords which are related to finance, like e-commerce apps, trading apps, or apps related to finance, like Bank of America app. After researching, I found a keyword of Shopify, which is Shopify can't buy domain error. But for the video this time, I decided to use another voiceover which looks trustworthy and not like a robot. And for that, I came into the video laboratory section of Easus and made my own custom unique voice, played with the options, and made the voice I loved, which I was going to use for the next finance keyword videos on that channel. You can also put your already made recording here and change your voice and adjust your voice. This tool is best for those who want to run multiple YouTube channels and can't pay thousands of dollars for text-to-speech tools.
Welcome back, e-commerce enthusiasts. Today, we'll tackle a frustrating problem that many Shopify users encounter, the can't buy domain issue.
The video has got us 8,000 views and has a massive $8.77 RPM and $20 CPM, which is insane, and made me $70, which is insane, and these 8,000 views are equal to 70,000 views if I got them on other niche keywords. The previous videos were getting me $1 per RPM only, but this is the power of finance keywords. For example, you can see one of my videos which got only 2,200 views but made me a massive $30 and has a RPM of $14, which is equal to earnings of 30,000 views on long form and 300,000 views on shorts. Fast forward to today, we have reached the $1,000 a month mark on this channel alone, and in total this channel has made me $10,000. Fast forward to 2025 and I make thousands of dollars from YouTube, have blown up multiple YouTube channels, revived channels from scratch to making six figures, have worked with world's top leading brands, and living my dream life. Even the channel you are watching video on, we blew up on our just second video, crushing all of our competitors and ranked at #1 position for 3 months straight. And our another video with 400K views is still ranking at #1 position even after 2 years, which you can check live. So for you to learn from me, I've made our private community and coaching program where you will learn directly from me, get access to our exclusive course. I will teach you everything you need to know to build a successful YouTube channel. I'm the guy who has done it actually, and still run multiple channels. It doesn't matter what your age is, all the people are eligible for this program. The value provided in the program is worth thousands of dollars actually, but it's just a small fee for you guys. As I know 5 years ago, I was in the same boat, starting with just a few dollars and no budget for pricey tools. If that sounds like you, don't worry. Click the link in the description and take your first step today.